Hello everyone, this video is from SAP Learning Academy, and in this video today I will briefly discuss about what is inventory management. So if you're in a retail sector, you should know this. So here briefly I will discuss how the article moves from one place to another. So first it starts with purchase department. So first purchase department has to create an invoice to the vendor, so that also called purchase order. So then vendor or supplier delivers the data against those invoice to the respective warehouse of the company. So that is called, and once the goods are received in the warehouse, that is called GR or goods received. So once the goods are received here, then the process of approval starts. Then again purchase department comes into picture, and they will be validating all the approvals, and once those stocks are approved, in the next step is the article management or billing. So those articles, I mean the stock, have received here, so all will be documented here. So and each and every article or PO will have the billing number. So the billing number, and on the other side it will have the article management. So every article will have the article document number. So after that, once the billing and article management part is done, so after that it will go to sales. So the sales means it is a normal store, so where customer can buy their stuff. So after that, once uh, it can, and after that the all the material, I mean the article, can be sold to customer. So this is a easy flow how the stock moves from one place to another. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for listening.